Boom. Oh my gosh, that is, I have my tortillas cut. I have 4 inches in the middle. This is gonna be really fun. So the first part, I'm just gonna take those strips from the center. I'm gonna add them around, overlapping, kind of fanning them out. That looks neat. Just keep going all the way around. The first thing that I'm gonna add is some cheddar cheese. So just enough to cover that bottom of the ring. And then I just made some taco meat, so hamburger with taco seasoning. And so I'm just gonna put that around, and I did 1 pound, so we're doing half of that right now. Okay, just one more spoonful. So I love black olives. Yeah, so we're gonna add some black olives around. Just a little layer of that. I sauteed up some onions, so I'm gonna add some onions to this. Oh, I think that's good. Just a little bit, enough to get some flavor in there. A little bit more. And I cut up 1 red pepper and sauteed it, so we're gonna add that in. Ooh, I love all the colors to this too. And you could do green pepper or any other type of pepper. 1 jalapeno from our garden. So we're just gonna put about half of that jalapeno on this layer. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna take some of the rounds of the tortilla and then just kind of make a layer with that, kind of overlapping a little bit. I think this is looking great. 1 more Monterey Jack cheese. This is actually probably my favorite cheese. I love it, no matter what I'm having. I love Monterey Jack cheese. So just enough to coat the bottom. So I think we should have a little crunch in our upside down taco ring. So I'm gonna add some chips in there. Yeah, so just a nice layer. So when you cut into it or bite into it, it's got a little bit of crunch to it. And you could add flavored tortilla chips to this. I've got the nacho cheese or ranch or any kind of tortillas that you like, but I'm just keeping it kind of simple. Cover that up with another layer of our round tortillas. Add that one in there. Oh, yeah, that looks good. I think that looks perfect. All right, so next up, we're gonna do cheddar cheese again. So we're almost to the top, so we're almost done. I'm not gonna be able to make this much taller. Okay, and then a little bit more taco meat. So we have that other half of a pound. So this is our last layer, so this will be great. Yeah, this is gonna be so good. Okay, so I want to add a few more veggies to this layer. So I got my black olives, my onion, and the jalapeno. Okay, and I have a little bit more of that Monterey Jack cheese, so I'm going to add that in. We're going to put the last thing on. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. 1 more layer. Add here. I'm just going to kind of fold these pieces in, press them in. Yeah, that's great. Okay, hold that in. All right, push it in. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay guys, 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, and then we're gonna flip this upside down. All right, our upside down taco ring is done, nice and crispy. We gotta flip this over. Okay, I've got my plate. Okay, ready, set, boom. Okay, let me see this. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Okay. Oh, you can hear that. That is perfect. Ooh, and it's a little hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. Look at that. I can't wait to try that. This is so cool. All right. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna love this. Okay. This is absolutely delicious. Yum.